Hey guys, look, we're at the Tom Devlin's Museum right here in Boulder City. This place is awesome. Listen, all kinds of horror film stuff in here, things of the history of horror since the 1920s all the way to current. Now, rumor has it that this place might be a little haunted. So I'm taking Julian in there to try to scare the shit out of him today. Right?
I don't know about that.
You don't like it?
Not too happy.
We're gonna do it anyway. We're gonna go check this place out, so come on in, let's go look.
Rumors have it this place is haunted, and I'm not with the ghosts. Save that shit for Halloween.
All right, let's check it out. Okay, so here we are inside of Tom's place. It's pretty cool. We got a lot of masks in here, a lot of shirts. There's a lot of stuff from a lot of horror films like that he's had signed posters. I mean, The Devil's Rejects. How badass is that? Sleepaway Camp. Are you kidding me? Did you ever see Sleepaway Camp? See Planet of the Apes, dude. I told you they made the action figures. I did that. The Stardust, or no, at the Sahara in the late 70s. I went to Planet of the Ice. No, the Planet of the Apes on ice. It was cool. I got the whole box, the whole toys. I got everything. This was like probably in the late 70s. That's how old I am. And look, I knew they made the action figures. It's pretty badass. Wait, you've got some of the old CDs and the discs that you can get now.
Frankenberry cereal.
Oh yeah.
Some of you guys remember that. Saturday mornings. Frankenberry.
Okay, so here we are at the entrance to go in and check out all the stuff with our buddy Waleed. And he's gonna let us go from here because he said it's too creepy to go back there.
Yeah, you guys stay safe and good luck.
Thank you, sir. Is there anything we got to worry about?
Everything.
Oh boy. Nice disclaimer, Waleed.
Okay, so now we're inside the building. It's pretty cool. The decor is really cool. They got it kind of set up in here where you can understand the time frame of when this was all going down. Now, some of this stuff is like Phantom of the Opera stuff. Mm-hmm. What was the guy's name that actually did all these films?
Lon Chaney.
Lon Chaney. This guy was pretty cool. They call him the Man of 1,000 Faces because he did everything. He produced, he directed, he acted, he did the makeup, he did pretty much everything.
Screenwriter as well.
Screenwriter. This would have been something that they would have done probably early Hollywood times when
Absolutely.
they were kind of actually, Hollywood was starting. Mm-hmm. But some of the stuff that you'll see in here is definitely really cool. Hunchback of Notre Dame, and then we got Phantom of the Opera right here, right?
Mm-hmm. I mean, when you really look at it, it kind of looks like Carrot Top on mushrooms.
Yeah, that could be your dump face in the morning when you're taking a dump.
Constipation.
He's already ready, got the whole floor and everything.
Dude, I like his Peter Pan boots.
So this is a classic. I mean, Frankenstein, this movie's been done and done and done again, but the original OG Frankenstein movie was really pretty good.
Monster!
His big ass hands.
No, that was a great classic movie. And over here, and he's got, you know, nice little perm. He's got his little Rick Ross beard going on. It's pretty fresh.
It's pretty good. When was this film done?
Oh, man.
1940s?
Thinking it was done in 1944.
Somewhere around there. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
pretty cool. So, you know, you can see how makeup and things like that have changed over the last...
Special effects and makeup definitely
60,
evolved.
70 years.
Definitely evolved, dude.
This is a classic. The Creature from the Black Lagoon. This was a good movie right here.
Yeah, Botox gone wrong.
Yeah, he did. That's what some of these chicks look like nowadays.
Episode botched.
Can't even see their nose anymore because they got such a lip injection.
Look, see? Doesn't even wrinkle. It's like episode of botched.
Like if you go to Hollywood.
Kind of looks like Little Richard.
It does look like Little Richard a little bit, doesn't it?
Yeah, he looks like he wants to get on the piano and say, wah ba ba loo wah ba wah ba boo, tutti frutti, oh Rudy. Some of you guys probably don't know who that is. It was before our time, but our moms used to listen to that old Motown.
Now, if you didn't see Planet of the Apes when you were a kid, come on. Planet of the Apes were the best. I loved it.
Now you got Mark Wahlberg who did a reboot, which is pretty awesome.
Yeah. But this is cool. This was a classic. Planet of the Apes. I love it. All right, here we go. Now, The Exorcism. Come on. One of the scariest movies ever, if you ask me. Like, this was just the weirdest, craziest movie ever. The girl that played in the movie, which her name was Linda Blair, she was badass.
Dude, I remember watching it at your grandma's house on a Saturday and then having to walk home. Scared shitless to walk home.
Like, we were like young, 10, 12 years old, and we watched it.
Yeah.
But, Danny Coker from Counting Cars, okay, he had a show on TV when we were kids here in Las Vegas locally.
Called Count Cool Rider.
Count Cool Rider.
Yeah. Came on after Elvira, right?
Yeah, look it up. Danny Coker from Counting Cars, he had a show called Count Cool Riders. And he would basically narrate before the movie would come on. He'd come out of a coffin. It was great. I mean, he did such a good job. And
we love you, Danny.
yeah, Danny, it was great, dude. It's a childhood memory, dude. I love it. So anyway, Danny, I think, is probably 5 to 6, 7 years older than I am. So when we were young, he was doing it when he was in his early 20s. So it was really good.
Yeah,
we loved it. So thanks, Danny, for giving us that memory.
Exactly.
Michael Myers, Jamie Lee Curtis, huh? Who didn't like Halloween? How many Halloweens did they make?
Bro, they did like almost 14 of them because they kept on repopping them.
I mean, if you didn't like Halloween, come on, man. Halloween was awesome. It was probably one of the all-time most coolest movies ever that was a horror, I think. Personally,
I think so,
the
too.
first Halloween was just so cool. I mean, I remember scaring the crap out of me when I was a kid. So this is pretty cool right here. And look, I like how they have the house set up.
Nice little.
You ain't got no eyeballs, but other than that, it's pretty cool.
Dude, do you remember when we sit at your grandma's house watching Freddy Krueger Nightmare on Elm Street, scaring the shit out of us?
Dude, it was the coolest movie ever. I mean, I remember just sliding down
Yeah.
things. I mean, the suspense of the movie was awesome. And I do remember it. I remember it very well.
I don't think I slept that whole summer. Freddy.
All right, who didn't know Jason from Friday the 13th? I mean, come on. This was really cool. I mean, we're actually walking on, like, what is it, the dock?
Yeah, it's old dog
you
from
can
Crystal
feel, like,
Lake.
the floor. This is actual real from Crystal Lake right here. I'm just waiting for Jason to reach up and grab my leg and pull me in the water. But anyway, it's pretty cool. They got him standing right here, which I thought he was bigger than that, but maybe he is. It's just like the fake one, but pretty cool. Oh, dude, look at this. Tom Curry. Really? What was the name again for this movie?
Rocky Horror Picture Show.
Yeah, Rocky Horror Picture Show.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Let's do the time warp again.
That's pretty good. Shit, I didn't remember that.
I got a memory like an elephant.
Did he play it?
Sure did.
Did he really?
Absolutely did.
Oh, I didn't know he played it. Wow. He played some good parts.
It Too, coming out in theaters soon.
Yeah, it was crazy.
Can't wait to see that one. So we got the Texas Chainsaw Massacre over here.
Check this. Who will survive and what will be left of them?
Leatherface.
I mean,
Leatherface.
dude, I love Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Trivia question for you.
What's up?
Did you know that McCulloch started a chainsaw plant in Lake Havasu?
Did you also know that he got the bridge, the London Bridge, and put it in over there?
I did not know
Yeah,
that.
That's true. But yes, McCulloch had a chainsaw manufacturing plant in Lake Havasu, and this is a McCulloch chainsaw, which is cool. I didn't know that Texas Chainsaw Massacre used McCulloch chainsaws, which is pretty interesting. Okay, Night of the Living Dead. Come on, guys. This is a classic right here. I've watched this show, I don't know, maybe 10 different times. This was a great classic right here, though.
It was like kind of the first era of the blood and gore era.
Yeah, I would like to have that poster, actually.
It's pretty cool.
But anyway, listen, guys, this has been a great time. It's been fun. It's a cool little place to stop by if you're in Boulder City. If you're in Las Vegas, you're looking for something to do, come on out here and check these guys out. This place is really kind of a neat place to kind of catch up on your horror film history and a lot of the stuff that goes on. I mean, there's so much more that I didn't go over. You could just go on in here. So listen, guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our page because there's gonna be a lot more cool stuff coming up. These are just some little things
Little teasers we're gonna do.
Me and Juice are just gonna run around some of the old stuff in Las Vegas, some of the new stuff like this. I mean, this is our home. We were raised here, born here. So it's pretty cool to actually share this with the world. I know there's a lot of people out there that are gonna watch this that are from Europe, South Africa, Brazil, Canada. If you guys are in Vegas and you're looking for something to do, we're gonna keep you updated on something.